Welcome to Tactile Carry, where we explore the world of everyday carry, one budget pocket knife at a time. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting to build your perfect EDC kit, you've come to the right place. Today we're unboxing something new. Will this be the latest addition to your rotation? Who knows? Let's find out together. Stay sharp and let's get into it. Okay, so I've been told I need to talk. I've been told that I need to show myself. I'm not going to show myself just yet, but I am going to talk. As much as I don't like hearing my own voice, let's get into it. So, new knife day. Opening it with this guy. Before I go any further, let's talk about this clone of a Benchmade Claymore. I like the way it looks. Super sharp. Opens nicely. I do have an issue with it. This lock here, right here, there's nothing keeping that in place in the locked or unlocked position. And last night it opened in my pocket. Now, it could have been very bad. All I did was slightly cut my index finger on my right hand, and that's it. I'm not carrying this thing anymore. I do like it. I may try to repair it myself, but I cannot recommend that you buy one of these clones of the Benchmade Claymore. So, still going to use it to open this new one. CR Squid. G10 scales and the D2 blade. So let's do a quick test on some paper. Okay, seems to have a pretty good factory grind. Now I need to figure out what color lanyard I'm gonna do with Paracord. Anyways, I may return to this and let you know how I'm feeling about this particular knife in a month or two after I get it out and about. So
1 hour later.
So yeah, this is a little tight out of the box. You know, it's already loosening up. I'm only on the third or fourth open, and you know, the flick test. Okay. Yeah, I think those first initial opens were kind of tight. Still going to give a little bit of knife pivot oil to it and see how it goes.
24 hours later.
All right, so I said I'd update. I didn't think it'd be this quick, so we're 24 hours after opening this guy. And the fidget factor has gone up to 11, and I'll show you what I mean. It's just super, super easy. You know, that first open yesterday was it was tight. I was a little concerned, but you know, this has probably been opened maybe 40 times or so in the last 24 hours, and it's very, very smooth. Now, I did put a small drop or two of that pivot oil. I didn't disassemble to do it. I just wedged it right in there, and the assisted open is really sweet. So you can do it from here or from the thumb stud. But just to give you an idea how strong that is, if I close it maybe 2/3 of the way and then just let it go, it's really strong. Not not dangerous at all, but super, super strong. And this knife really has a utilitarian feel to it. So I see it at work in my pocket, slicing open boxes, and yeah, pretty sweet. Oh, by the way, I went with the excuse me, black lanyard with the gold colored bead, and I think it works. So I think this is a keeper. This is staying with me. Hey, thanks for watching.